Welcome to another episode of Inside Trial Minds, where we dive deep into the minds of the most successful trial attorneys in America, how they think, how they fight, and how they ultimately win.
I don't know why. I think one of the issues people have is they try to prove every point, right? It's kind of like law school, where like law school, they give you a prompt and you just like come up with every possible theory. You can get yourself in trouble because you start doing that as a lawyer. You start thinking that way, and I'm going to prove all these different things. Well, you don't need to prove all those things. And if you pick out, instead of proving one or two things that you need to win the case, if you pick out 10 because you think you can prove them, you're battling these things that don't matter. And you may end up losing on one or two of those issues to the jury. You've compromised your entire case. But you didn't.
It is hard what we do. There are days I don't want to do it. I've quit being a lawyer twice. I took 9 months off and another year off as a young trial lawyer because I hated it. But when I finally found purpose and meaning, and I found God in my work, and I found Jesus where I was, that's when I decided, hey, I gotta be the hero of everybody's story.
Medical records.
So
There's so many new things coming out that it's just being open to the change and open to taking on these options and trying things out. So that to me is more important than scaling as far as numbers.
And the more is not the detailed facts and the law necessarily. It's understanding the emotional piece of your case, the emotional dynamics of your case, the emotions of everybody, including the judge.
If you are not completely prepared to go into trial, and I mean prepared, knowing like literally down to the seconds of what you're going to be doing and saying at the critical times, you can't possibly be yourself. Because what you'll be doing instead is thinking, and when you're thinking, you're losing.